Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add an image in Mailchimp. This is mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password. To show you how to add an image in Mailchimp, I will create a regular email as an example. Let's go directly to the design email step. Let's work on this with this free template. Now to add an image, just select this image block and drag and move it in your email, just like that. You can use this add image pop-up icon or use this add button. Let's work with this add button. Select upload image, locate your photo on your computer, double click it just like that. As you can see, the upload is started. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And after the upload is completed, it will show up in your email. To edit this photo, you can use this size tool or this slider. You can also edit the image alignment in your template. You can add a link to this image. You can also edit the background of the image block. And don't forget to click on save to not lose your editing. And this is how to add an image in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.